ones up top and these ones. You gotta pick which one you want.
What's this one? But can we decorate them?
We're gonna decorate some boats.
I want this.
See if they float.
And see whose will win the race in the stream.
Yeah, and then we can put them in my home.
Yep.
I got these boats. Me and Carl want these boats.
Okay, perfect.
They're speed boats.
Boys, for our boats, need to pick out the color of mass. So pick out one sheet of one of those colors for the mass.
The soft stuff or that stuff? Which color do you want?
I want red. I want blue.
Blue?
I want red.
That's the color you want, Carter?
Red and blue?
Perfect.
Perfect. All right.
Hi guys, we're making boats today and we're gonna race them. We're gonna paint them.
We're gonna go down to our park and we're gonna see who
Wins.
it goes faster or floats longer
And wins.
and wins. So we've got our little finish line that we're gonna make. We're gonna race at the river.
Yeah.
So we've got
paint.
oh, we want paint. Yeah. What colors do we have? We've got tealy green, blue, pink, red, and yellow. Okay, so we're gonna paint them and get the sails all ready on them. We've got all this stuff to make our boats. Can you tell me the name of your boat, Carson?
Mine is Orion Boat.
The Orion Belt boat. And yours is called? Dark Titan. Woo! Okay, so let's get our paint on here. Okay, so we are all set up. We're ready to paint them. So you guys can start. What are you starting with, Carson?
Pink.
Pink.
Here.
Beautiful.
Oh, we have to wash this.
Oh, I forgot the water. Here. Beautiful, guys. Who do you think is gonna win? Is it gonna be fast? This is so exciting. You're just mixing colors. You're supposed to be painting your boat. Oh, beautiful.
Mom, what's this color? This color, that color, this color.
Light blue. What do you think?
It's gonna be good.
Oh, how's it going? What colors? What colors are you still painting with there, Carter?
Oh! Oh, Carter's a masterpiece.
Yes. Beautiful rainbow.
Blue.
Very pretty, Carson.
But look at Carter. Looks pretty cool. Hey, Carter has done this.
Yeah. It's so pretty, Carter. You're doing awesome. It is cool.
Red for a while. Ooh.
that where we're gonna write the name?
Yeah.
The Orion belt?
Yeah.
Okay, show me yours, Carter.
Mine's got a jacket.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Car has with some black.
That's okay. Beautiful mixing of colors.
Here's mine here. Here's our
Show me your arms. Look at all that paint. You're all clean. You're all dirty.
Well, look at the outside and the inside of mine.
It's beautiful.
All right, so we're gonna finish these boats. There, boys. This one is Carson's, red. Very colorful boat. Looks very beautiful. And then we got Carter's. He's going with the blue felt sail. Carson has a red felt sail. This is Carter's boat. Very drippy.
I'm gonna walk in like this is
Yeah.
because-
So there's a lot of stuff that Daddy will have to do because you guys aren't quite big enough to use a hammer, scissors, and a hot glue gun.
I can only use this when I'm doing a snack.
You betcha. All right, so what we're gonna do with the nails here, these little nails, is your sail is gonna go inside this little tube. And then that rod will sit in there. That way your sail, you can put it wherever you want for the wind to take it. But then in order to face where your sail's gonna go, it has to tie down to something like a real sailboat. So we're gonna put nails on the corners.
So we can scratch it.
Yeah, so you can tie your string around it so that the wind will take your boat to wherever it needs to go down the stream for your race. All right, so we're gonna
mine right here.
well, we're gonna put them in the middle because that will balance the boat. If you put a big sail at the front of the boat, might want to drag it underwater like that or spin around in circles. So if you put it in the middle, no. If you put it at the back, it doesn't help. If you look at any sailboat, the sail's always in the middle, right? The sail's always in the middle. We don't have big fins for the bottom. Normally you put a big fin for the bottom on a sailboat, but we're gonna try the flat bottom in the river at the park.
I hope it doesn't sink.
It might sink. We don't even know if they float yet.
If they sink, we can't put them at home then.
Carter, do you know if your boat floats or sinks? Does it float? Does your boat float or sink?
I think it floats.
We think it does. We're gonna find out. We don't even know if they do or not.
This is a boat.
Right about there. Split the wood a little bit. We'll glue it with our hot glue gun. It's only to hold string for a little tiny sail. Oh no! We're out of glue! Got more. And then we got Carter's boat. We're gonna put our little pivot point for our sail. Whoop, right in the center there.
You guys excited?
Yeah!
Win. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
I got win!
You're gonna win. What's your boat's name again?
Mine's the Orion Belt Titan.
Dog Titan. The Orion belt.
I'm going Titan. Boy Titan has to fly. Woo-hoo! The entire flag.
Canadian Tire flag.
The entire flag's blue.
Carson says the Canadian Tire flag is the Canada flag.
The entire flag is blue. Whoa! I'm so dizzy. I unlocked a shark game on my iPad. It's pretty cool. You can unlock another shark.
Oh. What's the game called?
I don't know what it's called.
Oh, well, how is anyone supposed to play the game? Yeah, we'll put it in the description when we figure out what the name of the game is.
Put in the description down below if you don't, if you, and you put
it down below in the description.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. All right. Now we got a sail. Kind of looks like a flag.
Yeah.
And it can pivot around.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta do the length of it. So maybe like around there, and then we'll go up to a triangle there. So now we're gonna cut those. Be very sharp. These will cut off your fingers, so you have to be very careful.
Always have a parent.
Yeah.
Don't do this yourself.
Yeah.
Just look at.
Whoa!
It just fly onto my leg.
Did it scratch ya?
That was crazy.
That was crazy.
And since Daddy's here, Carter, do you want to squeeze this one? You squeeze these handles together. Ready?
Ready?
Squeeze really hard.
It's so stop.
Do you want Carson to try? See if he can squeeze?
Oh, I'm afraid.
I'll hold him. You squeeze.
It's too hard. Whoa! Oh.
2 minutes later.
2 minutes later.
This would be the loop where you guys hook it on whichever nail for your sail, whichever way you need your sail to go to sail.
Okay.
Look at those sailboats.
Sailboats. Woo!
All right, then our little string, we'll glue it onto here. So it can either fit right here. So then when the wind catches, it makes the boat go forward.
Now we're making the finish line.
So we'll do, I guess, one red flag. Red rectangle.
Look at this, guys. This is a masterpiece.
Blue rectangle.
Blue rectangle and red.
We'll glue those onto there like that.
Come look like flags.
Green flag and look it.
Wow. It's like a real sailboat. Wow. Okay. Oh. Well, it's not attached. So what are we gonna go do now?
We're gonna make our flags first.
Oh, well, we're gonna do the finish line, and then we're gonna go race them. Woo! Wow, we made it. Are you ready to race your boats? Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
When I get to one, you're gonna push it and blow on it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! You can't touch it, you cheater! Let's try again. 3, 2. Okay, guys, let's try this again. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, push! And then let him go by themselves. Woo! You're blowing on them.
I won.
Carson won, but you kind of cheated again. Oh, no. You got it soaking wet. Woo! Where's your boat, Carter?
It's moving. I'm gonna drown. I have to wait for the line. I made it.
Shipwreck. saved us.
I win.
You win.
Wow!
Oh no, you're tipped over. Save him! Save him, Carter! Save him! Oh no!
All right, boys, say your boat names.
Mine is a rhino. Mine is like David.
Dark Titan. Okay, set your boats in the water and you give it one light push. There you go. Let's see who's gonna win.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Looks like Carson's gonna win!
That's almost a win. Carter's is drifting away. Carson won. All right, another race. Carson and Carter. Ready? On your mark, get set, go. Put your boats in the water and push. Push. Oh, Carson's is down for the count. Carter's is still going. Carter's is still going. Waterlogged. So Carson and Carter, who do you think won?
Me. I think I won. I won. We both won.
You both won?
Don't forget to click the subscribe button and leave a like on the video.
Woohoo! Bye!
Video!